This is a Diamond T. Looks kind of like an old Chevy, but this is in the showroom at a company called Dunkel Brothers. They do a lot of moving. These were some of the original trucks that they used. They're here in Los Angeles. They do moving for all kinds of different companies, equipment, all kinds of things. This is really cool. Completely restored. Got to look at this, differential under here. I don't know if you can really see that, but there's a special heavy-duty thing. This is some old press equipment. See if I can get a better angle, but there's not a lot of room in here. The air conditioning back then. I'm afraid to ask them to let me look inside, but I might tomorrow. See if they'll open the hood for me. This is beautiful. These guys were hired to move the space shuttle over here in Los Angeles. Big straight axle in the front. Can't really see. I'm going to try and get over on the other side. Interesting. Oh yeah, it's got some huge leaf springs on the back here. Massive. I said that this rear end was designed specifically for the really heavy loads and so that that hub wouldn't be down too low for better clearance. Wow. There we can see. Wow, it's a really nice dash. I have